Okay, today we're about to do a quick and nice easy video. It says please use exact change. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go in here. First, my light was off, so what I had did was I went over here. I had turned this off for about 10 seconds. I turned it back on, and now my light is on. So I still see the message is saying please use exact change. So what I did was I took my coin mechanism out, stick that baby back in there, okay, get it so it can kind of configure. All right, please use exact change. So it's still acting up. So what we want to do is we want to come back here and unplug this. Oh my goodness, I didn't mean to hit it that hard. Dang it, oh my god, I think I put a dent in it. Lots. Alright, so let's plug this back in. Let's see. Yes, I think I put a dent in my machine. Let me close my door. I probably should have closed my door first before I did all that. Okay, it's still saying please use exact amount. So we'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so that was not the problem. So I just had to check through my coins, make sure nothing's jammed in here, guys. Sorry about the chapped lips and all, but just make sure everything isn't jammed. Then we're gonna throw this baby back in here and see if it works. Okay, so those other ways didn't work. So what I did was I went through all of the rows and columns, or whatever you want to call them, and I had like lifted my finger through them to see if anything was jammed. So we'll try it now. Turn everything off. Let's turn it back on. And we'll see if that do the trick. Alright, let's see if it works. No, it's still saying please use exact change, so we'll be back. Alright, now I'm going to try to put quarters, dimes, and nickels into the change slot so we can see what's going to dispense. Okay, so I got a quarter, we're gonna do a dime, let's do do I have a nickel in here? Oh, I don't have a nickel. Wow. All this change and not one nickel. That's crazy. Yeah, forget it. Alright. So the change I'm gonna put the change button so we can see what dispenses. Well, I know quarters and dimes work, so it might be my nickels maybe. So let me check. Alright, so let me get a nickel. Alright, so let's do 75, 50, 60, 70, 75. Let's see if that dispenses. It dispensed everything, so that's not the problem. Okay, so I'm gonna try nickels this time. Can't really hear me with the mask on. I'm gonna try it with nickels. I'm gonna fill the nickels up. As you can see, they're real low. It was a little bit lower than that. I already started it, but it was down there. So let's see if this helps by filling the nickels up. Alright, let's check it out.
Man, you probably do a job here.
Okay, you guys are eating up these noodles. I know that it's already not done. So we're right. Yeah. What you should do. I know by buying says right. Yeah, they're buying the lunch, but not the jack. I think you're not. I said because we're different noodles in the bottom. You know what I mean? Okay, look. Turn them up. I'm definitely going to talk to the factory about it. Yeah, they're going to speak to me about something right now. Yes, I love them. They are. Have a good one.
Okay, let's check it out, you guys. And voila, it's fixed. Alright, so make sure you like, subscribe, and tune in to the channel. And let me know if you like it. If you need anything or any help, just follow me at Vending Snacks LLC.